It's party day. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. It's party day. It's party day. So this is a heated pool. He said that, but the recording was pretty low. So there you go.
These cars will be moved out here, out of the way, all except the Hudson. This area will be clear, and then of course I don't know if you guys are gonna be outside, but you know there's the downstairs.
We
patio.
have a few smokers, so
Okay,
we
all
might.
right. So there, and we do have those tall, you know, the patio heaters as well.
Okay. This is really working, y'all.
Especially downstairs, you have ashtrays and stuff.
Cause y'all know this one I'm going to do. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. I am Ace the Vegan Baby, and today is party day. Oh my gosh, I promise I'm more excited than I sound. I'm just really sleepy. It's early. I'm about to pack up my stuff for the party, everything that I have decoration wise. I'm about to retwist a few of my locks so they look fresh, even though I will be wearing like a headscarf and a wrap for my costume. But that's beside the point. It's my birthday and I want them to look fresh. I'm also going to pack up like a few makeup things. I'm getting my makeup done, but just to touch up my makeup throughout the night. I'm going to go get the stuff because I'm actually making the drinks to stock the bar. Your girl's a bartender. Your girl's a bartender. Your girl is a bartender. No, she not. No, she not. But I think I am. I had to fix a nail. Y'all know this always happens. It's party day. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. It's party day. It's party day. Let's get this day going. Oh, I'm so excited. I feel like I've been waiting forever for this day. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Let's go. Oh, it hasn't been snowing all week. The day of my party, it wants to snow. Why? Pack up for my outfits and the backdrops. I also have the backdrops ready. So yeah, I'm about to pack everything up. Oh shit. Okay, I got most of everything ready to go to the car. My mom has other tables, chairs, and table covers. She just needed one extra for the DJ stuff. Ooh, let's go set up, y'all. will be giving y'all something too. I did put that in there because I didn't know all of y'all was gonna look this good. So, my first honorable mention is for the group costume, and that is Clueless. I think they upstairs. So y'all will be getting some Clueless, and for my group costume, my winners. Come on up, T and Tamara. So make sure y'all find me so y'all can get y'all prize. Alright. Now, I am doing a singles costume winner. My honorable mention. Oh, this one was hard. Sister Mary Karen. There she goes. You will be getting something. According to my judges, again, y'all, I did not judge this competition. I had nothing to do with it. But the winner for my singles costume. Come on, Ghostbusters. So my dad ended up winning this competition, but doesn't like to be recorded, so I can't show you his full costume. Sorry. I'm back from my party. I had so much fun. So much fun. I hope you guys enjoy watching my birthday party, me getting ready for my party and setting up for my party. I'll see y'all tomorrow. So I kind of missed the whole day with y'all. I went out to eat with my family. I did record a little bit of that, if I'm not mistaken. I think I did. I went live, so if I can save my live, I'll put that in the video. If not, then whatever. I can do it. I do, however, want to show you and talk about the party a little bit, a few things that I had there, because I got the footage. Oh my God, hold up. But I didn't get everything. Like, I didn't get a chance to show y'all what food I served, drinks I served, or any of that. But I can show y'all another thing that was there. I had a photographer taking pictures, and he also does like art, you know, like the cartoon art that you see at the fair, but now he's digital with it. So this is my picture. Do you see it? This is my picture. And I'm trying to get them together. One sec. This is the art for my picture. So yeah, that was at my party. Everyone got a picture. But right now, I'm actually about to cook my partner a meal because he was doing so much during this party. Okay, so what I was saying was I'm really trying to do something nice for my partner to show my appreciation because he did so much during my party. He was running all over the place and he DJ'd. So he's on his way. He just told me he's like 10 to 12 minutes away, so I need to hurry up. I lit the candle. I kind of set the table. We have table setting stuff, but I put one of our favorite candles right here and I lit it. I'm about to go finish his food and get everything set up. So let's go. This is what I have. I made him hibachi rice, spring rolls, chicken, a strawberry chicken salad. This is a shot of wine because I don't have sake, and this is some pop. And this is the setup. With the book. Okay. Oh, I can hear my door open. Okay, yeah, bye. Okay, so we just ate and I'm about to go to sleep. This is the end of this vlog. I thank you all for joining me and celebrating my birthday with me. Peace.